Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have a really cool transformational makeup tutorial for you guys. I'm gonna show you how to go from day to night, or what I like to call basic to bombshell makeup. All right, so let's be real. When you're stuck at home, nowhere to go, no one to see, it's hard to be inspired. So what if I showed you simple ways to spice up your look? Whether you're going from work to happy hour or a hot date, I'm gonna show you simple techniques to transform your look without trying too hard or having to start over. All right, so today we have a good friend, Megan, here, and as you can see, she has a fresh, natural makeup look. So right now, she's currently wearing simple foundation from NARS, a little bit of blush, and just lip balm. So I'm gonna show you guys how to really amp up her look by enhancing her brows, adding a few shadows, really bringing highlight and contour in her face, and ending it with a fresh glam lip. So first step, we're gonna go in and fill in the brows. I like to take my Morphe brow cream in Mocha with my angled brush and softly define her beautiful brows. All right, so after we fill them in, I'm gonna take my favorite concealer from MAC Cosmetics, the 24-hour Smooth Wear Concealer, with my concealer brush to really carve out and shape the brows, making them look crisp and polished. And we're just gonna use soft sweeping motions here. Make sure to blend it all the way down towards the lash line. And this will also work as a base for your eyeshadows. And then any leftovers you have on the brush, go ahead and sweep. Next, we're gonna use highlight and contouring colors to really bring dimension to her eyelids. So I'm gonna use this old school Beauty Killer eye palette from Jeffree Star, one of my favorites. The first color I'm gonna use is this beautiful highlight color called China White, all over her lids, and then I'm gonna go in with this beautiful soft beige named Courtney eyeshadow. And then finally, to add some sexy drama, we're gonna use this beautiful burgundy eyeshadow called Confession. So let's jump right in. Okay, so shade number 1, we're gonna go ahead and just highlight the entire lid. And the name of this is called China White. And if you guys have any matte cream tones, that will do as well. As you can see, that really brightens up her lids right away. Okay, and after the highlight, I'm gonna go ahead and use my blending brush and go in with this beautiful matte bronze. And what that's gonna do is just bring back dimension and bring out those beautiful eyes of hers. And the key here is you want to bring it up until you meet the crease. And just keep blending away. Okay, and lastly, to really bring out that smoke, we're going to use a dense shader brush and go in with that burgundy shadow in Confession. And if you guys have any other burgundy tones, feel free to use that as well. And we're going to start adding dimension and smokiness, starting from the outer corner and softly dragging it inward. And again, you want to keep this in the lower outer lid and just keep blending inward. And if you want to create a timeless, beautiful look, make sure you keep the shadows nice and tight, close to the waterline. And don't worry about any fallouts, we'll clean that at the end. All right, so to really add drama on her eyes, we're gonna use a liquid liner and give her a beautiful, fierce cat eye. And of course, we gotta add a pair of false lashes. So the key here is just to keep it as close to her lash line as possible. All right, now that we've completed the eyeliner, it's time for some lashes, and I'm gonna use my Duo Lash Glue. And always make sure you use enough glue, but not too much, to ensure that the lashes stay on all night. And a pro tip is you want to apply them right on top of your eyeliner. All right, so the highlight and contour is key in this transformation. I'm gonna go in with Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer. This one, I promise you, will last you all night. So you wanna pick a shade that's at least 1 to 2 lighter than your foundation to really bring a highlighted look. So what I like to do is create a soft triangle underneath her eyes, and then we're gonna take a little bit of this over the bridge of her nose. And obviously we're gonna blend this out. And we're gonna put a little bit on top and right on the chin. Okay, so right now it looks hilarious, but watch what happens when you start to blend it out. It's gonna give her this beautiful, highlighted, dimensional look. And I'm taking my blending brush from MAC Cosmetics, the 270 brush, and I like to just gently massage it into the skin. All right, so now that we've highlighted her face, let's bring back some dimension with my favorite Hoola bronzer from Benefit. I'm gonna take my brush and we're gonna just gently sculpt her beautiful cheekbones. And one of my secrets is I like to create a soft C shape. So we're gonna hug the cheekbones and also blend it into her upper hairline. All right, so to really spice up your look, we're gonna add some highlighting illuminating powder on her upper cheekbones as well as her bridge of the nose and any areas that I applied concealer. This is one of my old school highlighters by Estee Lauder, Bronze Goddess. And it's in 01 Heat Wave. And I love this color because it has a beautiful light champagne vanilla tint. So you wanna make sure that the highlighter that you choose for your skin tone really complements your natural undertone. So again, we're just gonna go in and add a little more highlighting power over the areas that we concealed. And we're gonna take a little bit of that under, in between, the bridge of the nose, underneath, as well as the chin. All right, to finalize the eyes, we're gonna add a beautiful bronze eyeliner on her lower lash line to really smoke it out. So when you're going to happy hour or in a moody setting, you wanna look sultry, but again, really effortless. So go ahead and look up. And one reason why I love this eyeliner, again, it's called Teddy from MAC Cosmetics, is it's just the perfect blend of a bronze and a black brown, and it just gives you a stunning, smoky look with an instant application. Okay, and you can take a smudger brush and really take your time to offer a smoky look, and now you look glam in just a minute. All right, as you can see, how beautiful does she look? All right, last but not least, it's time for lip liner and lipstick. For her beautiful face, I'm gonna choose Whirl Lip Liner, which is a beautiful rose kind of mauve tone. And then we're gonna pair it with this beautiful lipstick from MAC Cosmetics called Baroque the Internet, which is a beautiful complementary lipstick for the liner. And you always wanna start from edge to edge and just softly fill inward. And what this will do is ensure your lipstick to stay on all night. So again, trace the liner around the lip and softly fade it inward. Then go in with your lipstick and see how beautiful these pairs are. And there it is. All right, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this fun, transformational makeup tutorial. Now you guys know how to go from day to night, or what I call basic to bombshell makeup. So I wanna know what you guys do to go from day to night. So drop a comment down below on some of your favorite techniques for daytime to nighttime. And if you're new to my channel, I'm Beauty Expert Jane. I try to post about 1 to 2 videos per week. So I'd love to see you back, and I'll catch you in the next video.